No living fossils, Dino Spiders in Colombia and what they reveal about Earth's age. The concept of living fossils suggests that some organisms have remained virtually unchanged over millions of years, defying the evolutionary timeline. However, discoveries such as the Dino Spiders in Colombia challenge the notion that life forms have persisted unchanged for such vast periods. These findings suggest not only a flaw in the evolutionary framework, but also provide evidence that the Earth may not be millions of years old. Intelligent design, ID, offers a more coherent explanation by proposing that the diversity and stability of life forms are better accounted for by purposeful design rather than random, gradual changes over eons. Debunking the myth of living fossils. Living fossils refer to organisms, such as the coelacanth fish or horseshoe crab, that appear identical to their ancient counterparts found in fossil records supposedly millions of years old. Evolutionary theory expects organisms to gradually change over time, especially under selective pressure. Yet the idea of living fossils contradicts these expectations, as these creatures show no substantial changes despite presumed millions of years of evolution. This inconsistency reveals a critical weakness in evolutionary theory. It cannot adequately explain why some life forms remain frozen while others supposedly evolve. The existence of these unchanged species could instead indicate that the dating methods used by evolutionary science are flawed. If these organisms have remained identical to their fossil counterparts, it makes more sense to propose that their existence stretches back only a few thousand years, not millions. Dino Spiders, a window into a young Earth. A recent discovery in Colombia, nicknamed the Dino Spiders, has raised significant questions about the conventional evolutionary timeline. These creatures are spiders resembling prehistoric forms believed to have existed during the time of the dinosaurs. The discovery of these spiders in present-day ecosystems undermines the assumption that millions of years separate these organisms from the modern age. If these spiders have survived unchanged for millions of years, then it becomes increasingly difficult to reconcile their existence with evolutionary models that predict change over time. However, if the Earth is only thousands of years old, the existence of these spiders alongside other seemingly ancient species makes far more sense. This discovery points to a young Earth model, where animals coexisted without the drastic evolutionary changes suggested by the theory of Darwinian evolution. Challenges to radiometric dating methods. The conventional methods used to date fossils and geological layers, such as radiometric dating, are often taken as infallible. Yet these methods are based on assumptions about the initial conditions of the sample, constant decay rates, and closed systems. If these assumptions are incorrect, the entire evolutionary timeline collapses. The Dino Spiders in Colombia provide evidence that these dating techniques cannot be trusted to deliver accurate results. Moreover, the soft tissue discovered in certain fossils, including that of dinosaurs, suggests that these remains are far younger than previously thought. Organic material should not survive for millions of years, yet it does, reinforcing the idea that these animals lived relatively recently, not in the distant past. Intelligent design, a better explanation. The unchanging nature of species like the Dino Spiders aligns with the principles of intelligent design, ID. ID proposes that life is the product of purposeful creation, with species designed to function optimally in their environments from the start. This framework explains why many creatures, like coelacanths, horseshoe crabs, and Dino Spiders, have not undergone the transformations predicted by Darwinian evolution. Rather than evolving through random mutations over millions of years, these species were intelligently designed to thrive as they are, without needing extensive modifications. Additionally, the persistence of similar forms across different ages indicates stability and purpose in biological design, not evolutionary chaos. The discovery of dino spiders, coupled with the lack of transitional forms, points to the reality that life appeared fully formed and functional, not as a result of slow evolutionary changes. Conclusion. The discovery of dino spiders in Colombia serves as a powerful reminder that the Earth may not be millions of years old. These spiders, which resemble ancient species, contradict the evolutionary narrative and support the notion that life forms were intelligently designed to function as they are, without the need for evolutionary transformation. Furthermore, the inconsistency of living fossils and the flaws in dating methods underscore the need to re-examine the conventional timeline of Earth's history. By viewing these discoveries through the lens of intelligent design, we find a more coherent explanation. Species remain unchanged, not because they survived millions of years, but because they were designed to endure. The evidence points not to an ancient, chaotic world, but to a young, intelligently ordered creation where life continues as it was originally designed.